Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here, I know that you are all the NEET aspirants. You are studying for NEET 2021. Since the gravitation is the lesson that we are going to see now, that is one of the important lesson in NEET point of view. Since they are asking two questions from this lesson, the lesson which is very easy in physics, I can say that it's a gravitation. Since the concept are not as much that we are seeing in other lesson, the gravitation is somewhat easy lesson. From these lessons they are asking two questions, so it is one of the very important lesson. Here, before going to learn the lesson gravitation, we have to analyze the subtopics that are included in this lesson. Then it will make easier in learning about the gravitation. So we have to analyze the subtopics. Here the subtopics, we have separated the gravitation lesson into 10 subtopics. One by one we can see. Here the first subtopic is the Kepler's law for planetary motion. The first subtopic is the Kepler's law for planetary motion. Here in this title, we are seeing the Kepler's first law, second law and third law. And the second title is the Newton's law of gravitation, which is widely we know that is force of attraction between two bodies is directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That law we briefly discuss in this title. And the third subtopic is the gravitational field. Here the gravitational field is divided into two branches, that is the gravitational field intensity and gravitational potential. Then we have to see the acceleration due to gravity, which is one of the very important title in gravitation. Here in this acceleration due to gravity, here we are seeing a variation of g under altitude, depth and latitude, and also based on that shape. Fifth subtopic is the gravitational potential energy, that also we briefly discuss in the title. And the sixth is also very important as like acceleration due to gravity. In gravitation lesson, escape velocity is also very important, so we have to more concentrate here. And the seventh subtopic is the satellite orbital velocity, what is the energy of the satellite, what is the time period of revolution. And the eighth one is, it is just like additional information, that is a double star system. And finally we came to a core part, that is the NCERT MCQs, which is very important for NEET point of view. Since in our NEET examination 75% of the questions are asked based on NCERT concepts, so we have to solve all NCERT MCQs, so that only we provide that NCERT MCQs as the ninth subtopic. And also we have to concentrate on previous year questions, so this also included in our journey. The 10th subtopic of our gravitation lesson is nothing but previous year questions, so we have to more concentrate here and here, since it is very important. NCERT MCQs is very important, since year by year they are directly asking from the NCERT concept, so we have to more concentrate on NCERT MCQs. So in next video we see the Kepler's law for planetary motion. Just wait for that video. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and also share with your friends and continue with our journey. Thank you.